Hey, how we doing, guys? In this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the Array.splice method. So what it does, it gonna changes the contents of the array by removing or replacing a element or adding an element. So now what we need to do is create a var of a array. So in this case it will be months equals, and paste some bunch of months like January, March, and then now April. Did anyone watch July and April? It's a good anime. And next is June. So after that, what we need to do is months splice, and now the it have three. You need to put three what we call arguments. First, we need to indicate where you want to put the first position here, and is there any element you want to remove? 0th. No elements. And now what we need to pass anything you want to want it here. So in this case it's February. So if I log it on a console, the months, it's gonna give you the months: January, February, March, April. Now what I'm gonna do is I want to remove something. That's the way it gonna do. Like I want to remove the June and put May inside that. So how we gonna do that? Months dot splice, and pass as the first argument 4, 1, May. And when I log it on a console, the months again, it's gonna remove that. So it's how many elements it is. So 1 element, and see the June turned to May. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.